bad news. DHL lost my delivery. The lens, the Sigma 16mm f1.4 that I sent to my client, is lost on the way. In fact, it wasn't updated for a week, and I suspected something like this. And the customer service didn't provide any useful information, and in the end, they just said they can't find it. So it's probably just lost. And they asked me, we can provide you another free shipment if you want to send another document. It's not a document, it's a lens. Okay, it's €300 lens. And you giving me a free shipment. That's what happened. Well, shit happens. It's not the end of the world. It's a lens that I don't use that much anyway. But yeah, I've thrown away a lens. Let's see if they can find it. The chance is very small. Let's see if they can find it. I'm gonna provide more information to customer service so they can identify the lost package better. And I'm gonna make a claim, and then I don't know, ask for reimbursement or something like that. Let's see how much we can recover. All right. So that's a little update. It's a little bit sad news for today, but yeah, it's fine. It's totally fine. It's not the end of the world. Yeah. All right.